Hey, good afternoon. Happy Thursday. So this is Arlen again. I'll tour you around here in Wylie, Texas. And this is like four bedroom house. And it's kind of nice. Nice neighborhood, very quiet. See, hindi naman siya quiet talagang totoo. Well, hindi katulad ng isa na mayroong it's nice. Nice man siya, oh. So, it's nice neighborhood too. It's super nice. Look like you can do like 4 bedroom and then my office pa siya and then extra, it's like extra space you can use as a den or you can add some room, so it's gonna be like almost like 5. So if you guys looking to buy a house here in North Dallas area, please call me at 214-690-1233 and I'd love to guide you in taking care of you when you're buying or selling a home here in North Dallas.